What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at a pair of Jordan 1s that is right now roughly $250 to $270 and will be a $450 to $500 Jordan 1 next year. I want to take a second to remind you guys to enter in the giveaways for the Jordan 11 Jubilee and the Fire Red Jordan 4 over on my Instagram. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Give me a follow over on Instagram. Make sure you also subscribe here on YouTube to Flight for Hype TV. Check those boys out over on Instagram, and you guys can check out the entire post on my Instagram as well with these sneakers. Make sure you guys get your entries in. So this Jordan 1 right now is roughly $250 to $270. This Jordan 1 will only go up in price, and I'm going to explain why in this video, and of course show you guys the shoe. I did pick up 2 pairs, however, I recently got rid of one. I did sell one over on Instagram, so now I do have 1 pair left, and this right here is a beautiful pair of Jordan 1s. I do own a personal pair in my collection. So this right here is a size 11.5 pair of the Jordan 1 Smoke Gray. The Smoke Gray Air Jordan 1 will go up in price. This will be a very expensive Jordan 1 in 2021. I recently picked up 2 pairs of Smoke Gray Jordan 1s off a friend. He was selling them. I want you guys to leave a comment down below. Take a guess how much you think I paid for 2 pairs. If you get it right, I will follow you on Instagram, so take a guess down below, leave your Instagram as well. Right now, Smoke Gray Jordan 1s are roughly $270, $280 on StockX. You can get them locally for roughly, I would say, $240, $250. Anything less than that, cop. This is a beautiful pair of Jordan 1s. This is a clean colorway of a Jordan 1 that will go up in price. Guys, I promise you, in 2021, this will be a $450 Jordan 1. Let's take a closer look at the shoe, and then we'll talk about why this is going to just go up in price. First of all, guys, look at the colorway. It's so easy to wear. It's so nice. Jordan 1s with red usually tend to do very well, either right now or they'll go up later on as time moves on. This pair does have gray suede, and the gray is very nice materials here used. The leather is very soft. They did a really good job with the Jordan 1. It does have Nike Air branding, of course, on the tongue. And guys, this does remind people a lot, I'm sure, of the Union Jordan 1. This is, some people would say, the cheaper or broke man Union 1. I don't like using that term. I never use it, but that's what people would say about this shoe. Guys, this is a clean Jordan 1 that I promise you is guaranteed to go up in price. Cop them now before it's too late and before they honestly just go up in price to $450 in every size. Grade school. Cop grade school as well. Grade school will go up, I think, maybe even a little bit faster than men's, and they'll be worth $450 as well, maybe even go to $500. Guys, cop the Smoke Grays. I'm telling you, now's the time to cop, because in 2021 these will be very expensive. Cop now before it's too late. We have to take a look at the shoe and say, is it a wearable sneaker, and how wearable is it? Can everybody basically wear this sneaker? Jordan 1s are very hyped. Everybody loves Jordan 1s right now. So it's the Jordan 1 absolutely perfect. Next, take a look at the colorway, guys. Gray, red, black, white. What's not to like? The way the color blocking is, what's not to like? It's a beautiful sneaker. They put a little bit of leather in red at the top, the rest with gray suede. You have a black nubuck and just really good materials. Nice white leather. It's a dope sneaker. Women, men, kids, everybody can rock this pair of Jordan 1s. I'm telling you guys, these will go up in price. Cop now. This is a beautiful sneaker. Grade school, men's, cop them now. This was one of the best releases here in 2020. Jordan 1 wise, this was a very good release. These are clean. I think these are fire. Honestly, just fire. Straight fire. Let me know down below, Do you guys want me to do maybe some sneaker meetup vlogs? Maybe some type of vlog, reselling vlogs, anything like that? Leave a comment down below. Let me know, guys. I'm really interested to see what you have to say about that. Let me know what you guys think about the smoke rays down below in the comments. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Is this a cop? Is it a drop? Do you think that they're going to go up in price? Let me know down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.